some of this old shit we got in here.
I cleaned the refrigerator out.
Last week. I'm gonna take the rest of that meat and maybe some chili dogs.
Mmm.
It's too hot to be outside right now. I ain't gonna do all
Is it real hot out there?
I was sweating like a pig this morning, and it was this morning.
Wow.
You know it's hot now.
Yeah, I love it though. Can't even lie. But you know I love the heat.
I'm just too long. Alright, be out there.
Yeah.
Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot.
Hey y'all, good morning. It is Sunday morning, Sunday, June 4th. So y'all, I'm making some coffee. I had 1 cup this morning, and I told myself I wasn't gonna drink anymore. But I'm gonna have 1 more cup, and then after I drink, let me take this out. I was listening to a story time on TikTok. But once I drink this last cup of coffee, I'm not gonna have any more coffee today. I might just do like tea. And I haven't had any of my my nettle tea in a minute, so I might do that. Oh, I need to take my vitamins. Y'all, it's like during the week, I'm on point with my vitamins, but as soon as the weekend hits, I am horrible with taking my vitamins on the weekend. So I'm gonna take 2 of the prenatal by Vitafusion. Vitafusion sugar-free multivitamins for women. But I'm out of this. Okay, I need to purchase another one. And I'm just hanging on to this bottle so I can remember to get this again. So for the time being, I'm taking the prenatal. Okay, and the reason why I'm taking these is because they were on sale. I take a probiotic for gut health. This went viral on TikTok. And this thing stays sold out for a long time, y'all. When I say a long time, I mean a long time. One girl talked about this, and this thing, she just sold it out like completely. Walmart really should have paid her, because she sold this out. And when I went to Walmart, this was the only bottle, so I got that. I take this iron pill. Now this one does not upset my stomach if I take it at night. So usually I take this at night right before I go to bed, and it's been pretty good. Okay, I think I got this from Walgreens. Vitamin C to help absorb the iron, but normally I eat my peppers. So usually I take the iron pill and I eat about 4 or 5 peppers, and that suffice. So I don't really take these a lot because I hate taking pills, y'all. I'm not gonna even lie. And this is the newest thing that I've started taking. This is zinc. I thought I was picking up the liquid iron, but I chose the wrong one. So, but and I was going to send it back to Amazon. That's where I got it from. I got 2 actually. So I was going to send this back to Amazon, but after I looked up the benefits of zinc, I decided to keep it. So I usually put this like a few drops, maybe 3 drops in my orange drink that I get from Dollar Tree, and that's how I drink this. Okay, but the taste is not bad at all, even if you want it, because it's unflavored. So even if you wanted to have it like in water, it's not bad. So I just started taking zinc, and then y'all, I take Omega. This came from Walgreens. I've been taking Omega for a very long time. This is 500 mgs. Hubby takes this also. So we've been taking Omega for a very, very long time. I was taking flaxseed too at one point. I might go back to taking that because that's really good for gut health. So I think I might go back to taking that. But we've been taking Omega for a very, very long time. So y'all, that's it. Those are the vitamins that I take. So what are y'all doing? What are y'all up to? I am, once I finish making this coffee, I am going to start a load of laundry. And then I'm going to go upstairs and check on this video that I have exporting, because that's the video that's going to go up today. Then I'm going to come back down here and mop my floor, put those dishes away. I cleaned up my house yesterday, y'all, and I had actually spent all day cleaning up this freaking house. I think I'm going to start cleaning up like on Friday nights, because I hate getting up on Saturday morning and cleaning, because I go down a rabbit hole. And usually my whole day is spent cleaning up this house, okay? Because it's 3 bathrooms to clean up. It's down here. It is the dining room, which I neglect my dining room like all the time. Like the 2 rooms that I neglect in this house is this bathroom down here, because no one really uses this bathroom unless we have company, and that's not that often. So this bathroom, I have to always remember, like, Key, go clean the bathroom, because it's gonna accumulate dust, and I just need to be cleaning it more frequently. So this bathroom I neglect, and that dining room. The dining room is just like, y'all, we just put everything in there, and I need to get my dining room together. Let me show y'all, as a matter of fact. Hold on, y'all. So y'all, first of all, I absolutely love the fact that there's a door. I love the fact that there is a door, okay, that I can shut for my dining room. I love that. And so I need to get the dining room together. Sometimes I hate looking in there, because I know I need to get it together. Eventually, Dennis and I are thinking about like ripping down this entire wall, so this can be one open space. That's what we're thinking about, but we'll see. Anywho, let me show y'all. All right, y'all, so my dining room. I completely neglect this dining room. The paint stuff is down here because we were painting, and Dennis and I, we were sitting in here yesterday doing our bills, getting our bills together. I never showed y'all this stand back here. Do y'all see that? My job gave me this. Remember I told y'all, like, if y'all follow the vlogs, I told y'all that my job is renovating the entire first floor. And so they were getting rid of stuff, and they gave me this. And it's so nice, y'all. Let me come over here so y'all can see it. And look, as y'all can see, it's really nice. Look at that. I need to come in here and shine it up a little bit. But I've not done anything to it. I haven't even, well, I put some stuff on here, but like, I can just go in with the decor on this shelf, and I haven't done anything to it, because I haven't done anything at all to this dining room, which is so sad. So I'll just rather close the door and not be bothered. I have my vacuum cleaner in here. I am gonna come in here and eventually get it together. Eventually. Yeah, y'all, so we've been wanting a new dinette set for the longest time, and that's probably why I haven't done anything to that dining room. So yeah, I'll figure it out eventually, because we've been here for 3 years. It'd be 3 years in November. I've been concentrating on every part of this house with the exception of the dining room and this bathroom. I do like the way my bathroom down here is decorated though. I really do. I like the way that's decorated. I probably need to upgrade the decor, because I decorated this bathroom 2 years ago, but the decor is not bad. Let me show y'all the bathroom. See y'all, I mean, I do need to come down here and clean up and everything like that. I need to refill my soap thing, my soap dispenser. This flower has been here since we bought the house. The decor on the back of the commode has been there. I haven't hung any curtains. Like, everything, it has been like this since we've been here. So I really don't do much in here, and I do need to come dust now that I look at it. Because yeah, y'all, like I said, this bathroom gets no love. But it's like, as of now, I'm not mad at the decor. Like, the decor in there is okay. So, let me pour my water. Y'all, I love this kettle. I freaking love it. It's so lightweight and just so, oh my God. It's like the water is even different. Or that could just be me. But I need to think that the water inside just boils a little better. It's hot. It's just, ooh. And the handle is not hot at all. Like, love that. Y'all, this coffee is so good. Y'all, I swear, the older I get, the more I look just like my father with his handsome self. Anyway, y'all, let me go upstairs and get this laundry basket, come back down here and do laundry, and mop this floor and just chill out. That's what I'm gonna do today, because y'all, next week at work is going to be so hectic. It's going to be hectic. Like, we have so many new hires coming in every single day next week, and it's going to be a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and go upstairs and get my laundry basket and start some laundry. Hey boo. No. What you doing?
Busy.
Busy doing what?
Stuff.
Like, are you planting some stuff? You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hey, what's up? What's going on? How you doing?
So, anywho, you gonna say it again?
I just redid the towel out there.
Oh, you did? What you do to it?
Look out there. It's all bell peppers in there.
Oh, let me take them. They may want to see.
You look down there. I repotted that towel.
Oh, excuse the mess. Oh, what is this, Dennis?
There's a bell pepper.
Bell peppers. Oh my gosh. All bell peppers?
Yeah.
Ooh. You know I love my peppers. All red or green?
Both.
Both? It's a combination, y'all. I told y'all we have a garden going. We also have an earth bed at the bottom. I'll show y'all that later. Ooh, it's cold out here. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, look at my little peppers. Y'all. Wow. Hey, y'all. So, I just came from not Walmart. I'm so used to going to Walmart. I just came from Food Lion, and I'm so glad I went to Food Lion, because I really didn't feel like driving to Walmart, because Food Lion is like literally like right there. So I went to Food Lion, y'all, and got me some green grapes, and I hope they're good. I'm going to clean them up real good and put them in the refrigerator and let them get real cold, and I might freeze half of them because I've been loving to eat like frozen grapes. I also need to clean, let's see, I also need to clean my cucumbers and peppers, y'all. I picked these up on yesterday, so I need to clean this stuff also, so I can just, I like to clean it all real good and then put it in a bowl so I can just grab it and eat it, okay, without having to worry about rinsing anything off. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to clean my grapes, my cucumbers. I bought 6 cucumbers on yesterday from Walmart, y'all, and they are just, I already told y'all, like, they are huge. And then y'all, also from Food Line, I picked up my sociable crackers. They were sold out at Walmart. They stay sold out, actually, because you can have a total of 5 crackers for 9 grams of carbs, y'all, and it's only 1 gram of sugar. So I love to eat these crackers right here with some cheese. So I got those, and then yeah, I went to Ross. But I didn't get much from Ross, y'all. The only thing I got from Ross are these pants, and I had to get these, y'all. These gorgeous Palazzo pants. Look at these. I got these for work. I have another pair like this upstairs, but they are a different color with the tassels on the front. Y'all, like, y'all think I'm lying. Look at this price. $8.99. Like, y'all, I had to get these. They are super duper long. They have a split on the side, and I'm gonna wear these to work so you guys will see how I style these pants, okay? I might wear these as early as tomorrow. So I got those, and then I picked up these really cute slides. They are so freaking cute, y'all. I had to get these. Look at these. Look how cute, y'all. They are nude, and y'all can see the price right there. These are so cute, y'all. I do not own any type of nude slides. And patent leather, love these for me. Love, love, love. I had to get these, y'all. Like, look at these. So freaking cute. Oh, I love these so much. So then, y'all, I picked up a pair of earrings. Look at this box. This is so nice for gifting. All right, and the earrings looks like this. Get them situated so I can really show y'all. Like, these are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this, y'all. Oh. Tell me these aren't gorgeous. These are absolutely beautiful. I had to get these, y'all. I might wear these to work tomorrow with my pants, with my Palazzo pants. They match to a tee. But these were only $7.99, and look how just beautiful they are. Look at that, y'all. Absolutely stunning. Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? I hope so, because these are just everything. Stunning. Just so stunning. Girl, everything. So y'all, let me go ahead and wash my vegetables and mop my floor, wash my dishes, and then I'll come back. I'll pick up the camera a little later, okay? Y'all, I swear, there is something about looking at like fresh fruit and fresh vegetables that makes me so happy. Like, it looks amazing. Look at this. Look at these cucumbers, you guys. Oh my gosh. And look at these grapes. Oh, tell me this don't look delicious. And these wonderful, lovely looking peppers. Wow. It just looks absolutely amazing.